This is Nikki Golly again with Fuel Your Body and my amazing tower garden. And I wanted to report most of the things that we planted are growing. I'm so excited. Some of them are growing just a little bit and some are growing just a lot. And it has been less than 2 weeks. We planted it on a Tuesday. Today's Friday. So it's been a week and a half. A week and a half since planting it. So we have Swiss chard. Look at the Swiss chard. Looks so good. A couple different Swiss chards. This one's really pretty, and to be honest, I have no idea what it is. I think this is broccoli and or cabbage or cauliflower or something like that. They all look the same when they're little babies. And then the microgreens, these are sunflower sprouts. So we've got sunflower, I think we've got kale, we've got some around the corner, and we planted broccoli and then lettuce up there. We have a couple around the corner, and then check this guy out. Actually, it's grown since the last time I looked at it, which was yesterday. This is the pea. At first, we saw it sprout out and then stick its root down, and now it's coming up the top. And this one over here. And then I think I planted a nasturtium here, and I think that's something else. So I may have cross-pollinated. And for those of you that watched us put it together, and I was limping around quite a bit because I was out of bounds skiing, I am happy to report that my knee is back to like 95%. There's a little bit, but I was talking with my wonderful fiance, cameraman, and he was telling me that his experience with people that did the same kind of thing was that they normally tear it. So I feel really good that I did not tear it, and then I've been eating so healthy for so long, thanks to this amazing tower garden and the company that's behind it, that I've been loading myself with lots of antioxidants. So I doubled up in my healing process, and I feel like that made a huge difference, giving my body a lot of antioxidants, and then also extra nutrition, of course, and lots of love. We've said lots of love and like, heal faster, and it worked. So I'm going skiing tomorrow. And so this will be my tower garden, checking in it now. I am actually headed out of town for a couple of weeks, and I'll let it do its thing. So I probably won't be updating you for a couple weeks until I get back, but that's the amazing thing about a tower garden, is that it can take care of itself with just making sure it doesn't run out of water, which doesn't happen very often inside. So I just filled it up and I should be happy. So I'll report back in after Christmas. I might have like a from far away video, but it'll be after Christmas before the next time I will see this tower in person. So I'm super excited. Again, this is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And thank you for watching. And keep in mind, you can go from seed to plants in less than 2 weeks, and also keep growing for years and years and years on end. So a great Christmas present idea for those of you that haven't decided yet. Okay. All right, again, have an amazing day. Thank you so much.